Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when Steam keeps saying that it can't verify the files. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, if you have Steam open, you want to completely close out of Steam and then go to your search bar and then type in Steam. Okay, once you fully loaded it back up, what you want to do is first of all pause any current downloads that you have. So just click on the downloads section at the bottom and then pause any downloads. And then with the game that you're having a problem with, then you want to go and right click on the game, go to properties, and you want to go to installed files, and then you want to try to verify the integrity of the game files again. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can go to the top left hand corner where it says Steam, click onto Steam, then you want to click onto settings, then you want to click on downloads right here, and there you'll be able to see that it says clear cache, clear download cache. So click on clear download cache and then click on confirm, and Steam will shut down really quickly. And then what it'll do is open back up. And now I'll say that's my account right there. Now you can see it's like a fresh reload of Steam, and then you can try to go back to that game that you're having a problem with once it's fully loaded up, and you can verify the integrity of the files from here. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.